see a gingerbread house?
Yeah. Which one? Can I put this one?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Right there.
Very good,
Smush them on there. Smush them on there real good.
And maybe make another face? You want me to split? That's good.
Just a little.
Whoa. Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Say bye-bye, everybody.
Eli, look at the camera. Look at Daddy.
Say bye-bye to me.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So what do we get?
You can have chocolate chips you can use.
Now you're being a little skimpy on the candy, I think.
Yeah, you can have as much as you want.
It all rubbed up. Well, rubbed out. Try that again.
Is that good? Can you put any on your house?
Yeah.
There you go. Now lift it up and move it down.
It's like my house.
There you go.
I got this.
All right, that's good.
Wyatt's gonna be on a sugar high for a few days.
Put that one on there too. Good job.
Done a really good job on your house, Eli.
Oh, shoot. That was a good one.
Let's even take a picture.
Did he fall?
You're silly.
They squish so funny.
Why is that pretty good?